Hi, welcome to part 2 of the notes on how to input factorials, combinations, and permutations into your calculator. So go to your nSpire app, open it, you're going to go to New, and you're going to go to a calculator. Everything is done on a calculator page. And so what you'll do is let's start off with factorials. How do you put them in? So one of the examples from the notes was 4 factorial. So if you just do 4 factorial, the factorial is on the upper left-hand corner of the screen. You'll notice that it'll multiply it out for you. The second example that I gave you under factorials was 100 factorial. So I'll do 100 factorial over 98 factorial, and it can simplify them fairly easy for you. Sometimes when they get really large, it'll give you an error, but most of them will be able to simplify. If you're doing something like this, you won't even need a calculator, but it's a way to check. So that's how you do factorials. You can also do permutation. So the permutation that I gave you was the people that were running a race coming in first, second, or third. What you're going to do to get the permutation, the answer was 8p3. You're going to go to probability. You're just going to click on permutations. And then you're going to have this. And the way you do 8p3 is you just do 8 and then you're going to do comma 3. And so that's going to put 8 in for n, and what you're picking is r. That's that comma 3. And so that'll give you the 336 that we ended up getting right in the notes. So you can see how you can quickly do permutations. Combinations, same deal. So you would just go to, this time, combinations. I think I gave you a committee, so it was 8C3, so you would just do 8 comma 3, and then that would give you where order does not matter, so there's going to be a lot less. So that's how you input combinations and permutations into your calculator. So quick little shortcut is if you want to redo them, you can copy. So you can just do paste, and then you can just change stuff. So if you wanted to do 8C4, and then if you wanted to, like, there was one where I had you, where you had to or, and so you would add all the possibilities, you can just paste, and you can go and then just keep changing. So 8C, like if it was at most 4, then you'd have 8C3, 8C2, and so on. So it's a quick way to just kind of really use the copy and paste feature to make the process go a little faster. But that's how you do combinations and permutations on your calc.